How to fix the issue of TikTok application not available. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you that if you're getting the issue of this application is currently not available in your country or region in iPhone, so I'll tell you how you can fix that. So first of all, what you're going to do is go to your app store, and over here you're going to click on your profile. So once you do so, you're going to click on your iCloud account, and over here you're going to click on country region. So make sure that it's set to a supported region. And if the issue is still there, you can try logging out of your app store and then log back in. And if the issue is still there, then there's a simple fix that you can just restart your iPhone, which is a simple reboot, because sometimes a simple reboot can fix location-based issues and your issue would be resolved and you can just enjoy downloading TikTok. But if the issue is still there, you can head over to your settings, and then you gotta click on general, and you gotta make sure that your software is updated to the latest version. So make sure your device is updated to latest iOS version. And if the issue is still there, even if your device is updated to the latest version and you cannot download TikTok, so you need to use a different Apple ID. So if TikTok is region locked, creating a new Apple ID in a supported country can help. And if the issue is still there, you can just change your region or country on your app store. So if TikTok isn't available in your country, you can change your app store region only if you have valid details. If you have valid details like billing address and residential address of that specific region, then you can just change your country or region on App Store. So that was basically how you can fix the TikTok application not available issue. So if you found this story helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.